Hi, you hear this noise? So relaxing, right? Ignore the traffic. But today, in this video, we are going to go do a POV of nature photography. In this, we are going to dip inside the forest and enjoy the nature in this POV style. And without wasting any time, let's go. Hello and welcome to POV. So this is the forest, and most importantly, ये जो forest है, I just discovered this. I mean, there's the road, and this is a trail which goes inside the forest. This is not a very big forest, but city में this type of forest is a blessing. You can hear birds, and that's very rare. This is so beautiful. Like, I can literally pan my camera here and there and just take random shots and get a very beautiful shot. Wow. Okay, I can use this as a reading line. No. Wait a second. I need to shoot for the highlights, otherwise the highlights will get finished. Shadows can be recovered in post-processing, but the highlights, they just blown off the sensor. I can use this cross mark, like this is a trail, and the intersection, and along with it rays falling here, so that make a really nice contrast. I hope I find some birds. Yeah. I can use this. I don't know, but this place is full of mosquitoes. This is a point and shoot camera which offers 14x optical zoom. Basically, it goes from somewhere around 35 mm to 350 mm. 35, 24 mm kind of, and goes way up to 350, 370 mm. So that's the range it covers. Oh. It looks as if the tree is laughing. Broken tree. Yeah, I can use a clear sky too as an light source. Oh, the texture of the sun falling. The sun is making an amazing texture. I needed somewhere green grassland. Yeah. Fuck. No. I think a decent shot. I can't comment on this. Bro, I just hope I don't get lost. Yeah, this is the trail. It's 7:15 right now and the sun is already very bright. I think, oh shit, we had a bird. I didn't see it. And me on the way of missing a very good shot. There's a pond right there and मुझे लगा कि वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. But I was correct. But मैं ना देख के चला गया. I was very careless and sorry, my bad. I think I can get this. I can hear a bird. I can hear a bird. This is looking like, wait a second. Just look at the house. This is ant's house. This is so big and this spread across. There. It's just one single family. Inside this, they have a very big tunnel, and I'm hoping they have a very big tunnel. I don't know. Bro, this is so beautiful. And again, this will be a better shot, yeah. And using this, I use this as a leading line, the track. Nice. Yeah. Need to get a bit. Yeah. I need to keep an eye on the path I'm coming. Okay, I have a field here, and we have I think I got a bird. Let's see. That's the most we can do. There's a private property there. I just do not want to interfere them. So let's go inside again. That's again our aunt's house. This pillars are built to protect them from, make their home is inside, not up. So there are tunnels inside them, and the rest of the remains of the tunnels are just put on like this to make the home weatherproof with a seal. बाहर में सर्दी हो, गर्मी हो, वर्षा हो, like rain, बारिश गिर रहा हो, कुछ भी हो, this just remains with a seal. इसके अंदर का temperature is constant and it's very cozy and warm. I mean not warm, it's at the normal temperature. So ऐसे टीले बने हुए होते हैं. I can get this. And shot like this. Let's see. You can hear the birds, but it's right there. let's see if we can take the shot. Yep, it's right there. It's right there, somewhere around this. Oh yeah, I saw. No. Am I lost? No, I don't think I'm lost. I know the track. But let's photograph the bird. I have come here before, but today the movement is very low. Very low. I don't know why, but the movement is very low. I have seen many birds. Many birds. Literally, these trees are filled with butterflies and birds chirping this side, and these all places are filled with birds. But today, I don't know why. Maybe because I'm late or something. I don't know. I'm there. You can see opening, and I hope I could find a bird here. This picture would have been so interesting, but I can make it interesting. Yeah. This is the reason I am telling too many mosquitoes. It's just every 2 seconds a mosquito is coming, and okay, this can make a really nice spot. Arey, and I think moment I'm turning back and going on this side, bird sound comes from this side, and moment I'm going from this side, the bird sound comes from this side. That's a very good mess. I don't know what to do. Heard? I think that's a nest. Yeah, that's a nest. Bro, there's one parent in the nest, and another one, I don't know where he is. Might be he or she might have went to take, find meals, find food, and one parent is there protecting the nest. In nature photography, or I'm not talking about the wildlife photography, I'm talking about the nature photography, like the scenery photography. We need a wide aperture, wide focal length. Mostly I shot using 24mm, and I think that's it for the video. I didn't find any bird, but I think that's the case in photography, I guess. I found someone, like, चलो देखते हैं. Finally a photo of a bird. I hope it is clear. Yeah, I think that's it for the video. Bye. Bye. अरे